Oh, it looks like a rainy, overcast day. It's predicted to rain today. So today I am off to my beginner freediving course at Amancay. My hotel is there. Ironically, it's right here. It is a female-run business, and they also have like a dive shop. So it's like a free diving shop and a dive shop, and I'm super excited. I'm super glad that I am accidentally at the hotel and sort of next to them, because the instructions was that it was across the laundry shop, and there's no real sign there, and then there's no real sign here. Wonder if it's nope. I might be a little early, but I came yesterday just to check it out. It's a really nice shop, actually. You can see all the wetsuits out there. I've been wanting to take freediving classes for a while, and this is only a beginner, like a toe dip into it. It's not even like certification for freediving, because certification would take like a few days. It's the very least 3 days, and I don't have that kind of time right now. So unfortunately, there are like a lot of activities I want to do here, from snorkeling a cenote to diving a cenote. I wanted to dive Dos Ojos in Tulum, but just not enough time. Good morning, Antonella. Wetsuits, fins, feet with the fins, and there's socks in here, neoprene socks, and swimsuit.
First, my freediving teacher, Andre, runs me through the introductory part of my lesson. Safety and breathing techniques for extending your breath underwater.
All the breathing part will be about safety. Okay, for example, breathing before and after it, because it means that we don't need this amount of oxygen.
At first, I wasn't sure if I actually wanted to make this video, because it was a personal goal for me, and I kind of wanted to enjoy it. And to be honest, I wasn't really sure if I could get the underwater shots to tell this story. Old habits never die, and I decided to slowly start filming it.
Andre taught me about breathing, equalizing, and just like the experience of when you go underwater. And now we are going to go to this cenote called Kin Ha to practice. So hoping that I'll be able to keep my composure and relax so that I can stay down longer and enjoy the experience versus panicking. I expect that I will probably panic the first couple of times. I am hoping it will get better as I go along. So we measured my feet for fins, body for wetsuit, neoprene wetsuit, mask as well. Made sure the mask would stay on, and there was no air coming through. I found it really interesting because I didn't realize that there's so much cavern in your body to hold oxygen. Before I thought I was just breathing from here, but it's really like from here all the way up. The chariot. So you've got the buoy and the line way down there, and then the wetsuit stuff, fins.
That's why the cenotes we're using freediving mostly are what they're called sinkholes. Underground cave, the roof collapsed and revealed the water. So those big, let's say, natural swimming pool,
yes,
big natural ponds, usually very deep. Averagely here, the cenotes we use for freediving are minimum 100 feet.
100 feet minimum.
Today is 100 feet, for example.
Okay. Why is Kin Ha cenote a place that you would want to do like a freediving experience? Is it like the walls or just the ease? Yeah,
it's a very easy access. The water is super clear. The cenote itself is beautiful. The wall is amazing. We usually choose the cenotes depending on the availability of depth, of course.
Yes.
Okay. And of course also if they're comfortable, easy to reach, easy to access. We're gonna see today it has a stair, a platform, a lot of space.
Okay. And so it's good for beginners.
Yes. But all, let's say, cenotes are good for training freediving because there are no waves, no current, water is still. The energy of the water is particular. It's the water inside the land, so it's a particular flow of energy.
Okay.
That's why.
Oh, I'm excited. The route of the cenotes?
The road of the cenotes.
Oh yeah? There is a road called that?
Yeah, actually, look, it's funny because here in Quintana Roo, in Yucatan, there are cenotes everywhere.
Yes.
Every road, it's a route of those cenotes.
So these are more like Playa del Carmen cenotes then?
These are Puerto Morelos.
Puerto Morelos.
We are in the municipio of Puerto Morelos.
Okay.
Here you're gonna see soon entrance of, we're gonna pass probably 10 cenotes
Okay.
What's your favorite?
Yo, I'm a big fan of...
Putting on this wetsuit is just really hard, and it's super tight, but it's super thick. It's a thick one because we're going to be in the water for an extended amount of time, and your body kind of loses heat while you're in the water. Still gotta get these things on. This is like a vest to keep my chest warm because I won't be wearing the rash guard. Snorkel and little booties to put in my fins so that I don't get like start chafing or anything. Blisters.
Not the cover whole area. Go down on the stairs very carefully, holding like this guy is doing, step by step, literally, super slow, super relaxed. Because they're slippery, watch your head, watch your step, very slowly.
Okay, will do. Yeah,
It
you
looks
can
super
see
dark, but actually it's super clear. And it's not actually these light beams. Once you are in the water, lights up the bottom of the feet. So you have 100 feet of super clear water. You see the bottom of the sun. It's incredible. And it's called the Kin Ha. It means in Mayan sun and water. Because you have the sun in the water. This was an empty cave that slowly got flooded by the rain water. We are sure about that because we're gonna see in the water there are stalactites.
Oh, in the water we're gonna
In the
see
water.
stalactites.
And
Oh.
the stalactites can only form in the air. They cannot form in the water. And you can see a lot of amazing stuff. One thing we like so much is that down there it's a route. Trees is down the route to look for water. When they find the water, they stop building the route long, but they start building the route
Below.
Okay.
Now it's time to put my learning into practice and descend into this cenote. Underwater, the cenote is like a cathedral. It makes you want to stay longer. You're hypnotized. But each time I get to wanting to extend my breath to stay longer, my ears feel the pressure and I panic when I cannot equalize. So I come up. It's very frustrating because I really want to stay down longer.
For some reason, I just got short of breath. So I just finished my freediving course, and that was really exciting to see like the stalactites and then the stalagmites, because the stalagmites were there pre water-filled cave. Right now, there's thunder going on. You can see like the rain pouring in from like the little spouts above. We kind of went around the whole perimeter of the cave and then just kind of like also descended vertically. I need to work on equalization a lot more breath work, I think, too. But when I hit... Wait, Andrea, what was like the most that I might have held my breath for?
The longest time I think was around 47 seconds, 50 seconds.
Okay, I'll take that. For my first time, I'll take that. This was super cool. I highly recommend you try it. I wish that I could take a 3-day course, and I think I'll probably try and find a place in Hawaii or wherever else I can take a 3-day course to get more practice in, because yeah, it can be dangerous to do on your own. It helps to have like a guide or a coach to be there as you descend and you are holding your breath, because obviously you are kind of like going through different pressure along the way. But diving through a cave, man, that was so super cool, because I didn't know what the bottom of the cave looked like, and it just kind of kept going. So I think that was maybe, I think he said 100 meters was like the depth, and so that's why it made this cave very easy, because there is a bottom point. But just even like descending upside down and looking at the walls like as you go down, oh my god, it was totally cool. It's hard not to want to challenge yourself and to think, oh man, I didn't do it as long, I didn't hold my breath as long as I wanted, or I didn't get to the, you know, end line like I wanted. But it's good to have like a patient coach too, and Andre was totally patient with me and let me know that it was really about enjoying the experience rather than setting a goal.
It's through resourcefulness and viewers like you who keep my channel going. So if you love what I do and want to see me continue creating solo travel videos, support me on Patreon. Travel safe, smart, and fun, and may the grr be with you.